Did you know that your Carpigiani batch freezer, pasteurizer, whipped cream machine, or pastry machine includes parts that need to be regularly replaced to maintain peak performance? This not only ensures high-quality products, but also maximizes profits and extends your machine's lifespan. These essential components are called consumable parts. They are parts of the machine that you can easily replace on your own. Let's take a closer look at what they are. What are the consumable parts? Scrapers for optimal performance, Carpi-Care kit, a collection of gaskets, O-rings, and other components specifically designed to maintain the highest hygiene standards. Brushes kit, a comprehensive set of brushes perfectly sized for the correct and thorough cleaning of every component of your machine. Who can replace the consumable parts? The consumable parts in Carpigiani machines can be easily replaced by the operator. No technician is required. Why replace consumable parts? Regularly replacing scrapers ensures high performance and high quality products. Scrapers improve product quality, speed up production, and reduce waste. Worn scrapers increase production time, negatively impact texture, and reduce overrun. Wear on scrapers is visible to the naked eye. The Carpi-Care kit and brushes kit enable you to maintain perfect machine hygiene at all times. The Carpi-Care kit ensures top-level hygiene and prevents downtime by including replacements for parts that might be lost or damaged during cleaning operations. The brushes kit allows you to thoroughly clean every component of the machine for maximum hygiene. When should you replace consumable parts? Batch freezer scrapers every 12 months or 750 hours of use. Pastry machine scrapers every 12 months or 1,750 hours of use. Carpi-Care kit every 6 months. Brushes kit every 6 months. Which consumable parts does your machine need? Scan the QR code on your machine to access the dedicated page for your model on the Carpigiani Services website. In the Ordinary Maintenance section, you'll find a detailed list of consumable parts and their replacement frequency. The video tutorial section also provides technical videos on cleaning, assembly, disassembly, and routine maintenance operations. Where can you find consumable parts? You can purchase original Carpigiani consumable parts by contacting your local Carpigiani distributor or directly at shop.carpigiani.com.